Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. As usual, here is an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start the haul, I came across this Kids Pre-Step Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. Ages 0 to 6 years old. It's safe to swallow. It is paraben-free, SLS-free, and it's with xylitol. And it is sugar-free in the fruity flavor. And the size of this is 92 grams, 75 mils, 3.2 ounces. So I think this is a super great deal for $1.25, which I'm sure you would pay much more in a pharmacy or even at Walmart. Over in the crafting aisle, there was quite a few new things, and some of the things that I brought home, the first being this old truck. And it is wooden, so you can paint this or stain this, do whatever you want. I absolutely love this. Of all the red trucks that they came out, this is my favorite because really you can do so many things for this. In a DIY project, it's a plain blank canvas and you can make this for any season. You can switch it out. So I'm really happy that I found some of these. I only picked up 4 because that's all they had. I'm sure it was a very welcome item once this arrived at the Dollar Tree. I then picked up a few of the pressboard letters. These are my favorite, and I find it's very hard to find all the letters that I need. So when I do see them, I pick up some here and there. Of course, the letters I need are usually gone, but I do keep my eye open for these because they're just a great size, and they're great because you can start from a blank canvas and just paint these however you want. Another wooden thing I found were these wooden boxes. They also had cylinder ones around this size. I did take pictures, so you'll see it at the beginning of the video, but these are really nice as well because you could use these for so many different things. What I really like to use these for is when during the winter or at Christmas time when they bring out the trees. This makes a really great base if you don't want to use the plastic feet that come with the tree. You could just glue it into this and you have a really nice base that you can customize or stain it or paint it, do whatever you want. So that was a really nice find. I came across these new LED string lights that have greenery on it. How pretty is that? So on these there are 10 lights, and I did pick up a couple packs just to see how they are, and that was a really nice find as well. And then I noticed that they had a lot of different moss products. So they had different size balls. I do have a little video clip of when I was in the store. So I did come across these balls. They also had larger ones and single ones. And then I think my most favorite of them all, even though I didn't pick it up just because the size was smaller, and to be honest, I love these in an arrangement, but when it comes to a wreath, I find that they just shed so much. But they did have wreaths there as well, which was really nice. So I'll insert the video footage here. I've noticed that they are bringing out more galvanized items. There were quite a few different signs this time around. So I picked up this one here, as I love the shape of this one here. I think they make for great signs. So I did pick up a few of those. And then right next to the signs were the wreath rings. So these are the smaller ones, and I don't always find these there. So when I do, I like to pick them up. There are 2 pieces for not $1.25. These have gone up as well, so now they are $1.50. Dollar Tree in the garden section has been coming out with some really nice items. I've seen a few hauled, and I'm hoping that they arrive at my Dollar Tree. But I was really excited to come across these 2 items. The first is the garden fence. And this is the first time I've seen this particular one at my Dollar Tree. I love it because it has the like lattice look to it, and I love it in the white. I don't know if they have it in black. I only saw the white, but I love it. And then I came across these bamboo plant stakes, which was a really nice find as well. And you can see the name there, Annie's Garden. 16 bamboo plant stakes, 2 feet worth. So that was a really nice find as well. And then to finish off the haul with the seasonal items, I didn't pick up a whole lot because I didn't really see a whole lot, but I did want to pick some of the plastic eggs up. They have so many different kinds, whether they're plain or whether they're speckled. They have large eggs, small eggs. So I just picked up this 18 pack of different colored eggs. And then I also picked up a couple of these as I saw them at the Dollar Tree that I was at this time around. They are the speckled eggs in the egg carton. I wish they would have brought back the eggs the way they were originally. They were just a lot nicer looking. These ones here are a little bit more cheap looking, but I probably will just paint over them anyway. But it was nice to see a few of these around again. So then I came across this metal pail, which I absolutely love. It is in a lilac purple, and I just think it is so, so cute. So here on the pail, you see different little signs: carrot patch, flower market, blooms, bulbs, cottontail, annual cottontail egg hunt, carrot patch, farm fresh eggs. Just really, really cute. And I love that it is a metal pail, so I did pick up a few of those. And then of course the bunny baskets, I did see these again, and I absolutely love these, with the polka dot on the inside of the pink bunny, and then the buffalo check, the blue and white, on the inside of the blue bunny. And I absolutely love these. I think these are also great if you're giving someone a plant or some flowers to just place them inside of this. I just think it's really nice to present them that way, and this way it's decor as well as a nice beautiful plant. So I did pick up a few more of these. And then I seen this basket for the first time, which I think these are really nice as well. If the bunny face is too much for some people, then this is a really nice basket, because it just has a felt bunny on the front with the little cottontail, and these came in a couple other different colors as well. So I just picked up the pink one, but it is like a canvas basket, pink on the bottom, and then a pink felt handle as well. So that was a nice addition to the baskets that they have. I really, really like this one. And guys, that will do it for this small Dollar Tree haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It greatly helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.